everybody. Happy birthday, Sofia Pitella. Happy birthday. As I wish you happy birthday, this includes my prayers that you will be blessed with all in happiness, good fortune, susubukan lang ay stable, and of course, with the love under the nurturing of your parents. Sa pagpalanggasan, hindi mga magdilikanan. But most importantly for every person that I always wish during the negative days that may you be blessed with all the virtues in life so that you can venture with what we call life.
Thank you, sir. Next, Miss Sonia Villaruz.
Good health.
Mayong hapon sa tanan. Ella, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa mo, good health. Kag maging mabuot pag-ibig ka kasi nolondon yung bata. And God bless you.
Thank you. Next, Miss Luisa Aguirre.
Dito ka sa piyak.
Sa celebrant ka naman ako nasa 7. Ang wish ko sa inyo na magdako ito kahit na maayo nga bata, butanan, at maging successful, maayo nga magdako nga maayong batasan, good Christians, abundant ang inyong blessing. Kaya sa nakita ko, nakalibutan ikaw sa full of love sa mga parents, sa mo, especially sa mga lola, na good fortune ang natabo sa iya. So, na-share niya ang blessing paagi sa pag-celebrate sa mga 7th birthday. So, sa mga 7th birthday, I wish you the best. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am. And then,
Saan dito sa
si Iko Asanes.
Saan dito kunong natapos?
After you mag-wish, diri ka mo ng kanto.
Yes, and studying at maging mabuting bata. Ay hita. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Next, Harshel Silio. Harshel. Arcel, sorry.
Hello, Ella. Happy 7th birthday. I wish you a good health every day. Then more blessings to come as you grow older and to become a successful one. Then study hard to achieve your goal in life later on. God bless.
Thank you. Next, Christy Pandagan.
Happy 7th birthday. I wish you good health, wisdom from God. I know you'll be a good girl because you are very blessed to have your mother hanggang imulola with you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Next, Miss Gloria Macancha. Correct, Macancha.
Yes, God bless and wish ko lang na mag-good ka, good health. Anong tanan nga nakambang yun? Hindi ko nakanda, kaya alatanan. Pero kang successful ang life mo, kahit may good ka lang sa tanan nga ako.
Thank you. And last but not the least, Miss Alicia Beba.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Ella. Happy birthday. I wish you to have more and much better health so you can shower more love to your mama.
Okay, so thank you sa atong 7 balloons. So, amo diyang twist. Tanan ka mo ba straight line and then pauna-una lupok sa balloon.